Hello students, welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology and I am Rajesh, MSc Zoology. Today I am going to teach about portal and coronary systems. First of all, portal system. Our body have a specialized circulatory system which is not connected with the heart. Actually circulatory system ante manaku telisindi veins and arteries and capillaries, they are directly or indirectly connected with the heart actually. But there is another specialized circulatory system which is present in between the wall of the alimentary canal and liver. లివర్కి ఎలిమెంటరీ కెనాల్కి మధ్యలో ఒక స్పెషలైజ్డ్ సర్క్యులేటరీ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ద హార్ట్ అండ్ దట్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్. వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్? ఎందుకు దాన్ని మనం పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్ అంటాం? ద పోర్టల్ వెయిన్ ఈజ్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద క్యాపిలరీస్. క్యాపిలరీస్తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ వెయిన్స్ ఆల్సో స్టార్ట్ విత్ క్యాపిలరీస్ అండ్ ఎండ్స్ విత్ ద vena cava. Then what is the difference between venous system and portal system? Portal system start with the capillaries and end with the capillaries. They also end with the capillaries. అవి క్యాపిలరీస్తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి, క్యాపిలరీస్తో ఎండ్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్? we give name to that portal system after the organ in which the blood capillaries are ended. ఎందులో అయితే ఈ క్యాపిలరీస్ ఎండ్ అవుతాయో ఆ ఆర్గాన్ నేమ్తో మనం ఈ పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్ని పిలుస్తాం. సో ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ ద పోర్టల్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ అరైజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వాల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిమెంటరీ కెనాల్. హియర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఎలిమెంటరీ కెనాల్. దేర్ ఈజ్ ద ఈసోఫాగస్ అండ్ ద స్టొమక్ అండ్ it is large intestine, and in between the large intestine there is a small intestine. Okay, it is our alimentary canal and spleen also. So many blood vessels, mesenteric vessels and celiac blood vessels, celiac veins and splenic veins, all are together form a portal vein, and that portal vein ends in the organ liver, a very efficient and important organ which is present near to the alimentary canal. Right side of the abdominal cavity there is a liver. Okay, and that portal vein ends in the liver, so this portal system is known as hepatic portal system. If the portal system ends in the kidney, what it is called? It is renal portal system, because the blood capillaries are ended in kidney. But this type of renal portal system is absent in our body. We have only hepatic portal system. What is the use of portal system? Before entering into the blood circulation, systemic circulation, the food materials and the nutrients or toxins what we take into our alimentary canal are enter into the liver first. Here at the site of the liver, all the substances are undergo a process known as detoxification. Drugs or alcohol or food materials, nutrients, whatever it is, water, all are enter into the liver. In this area, if we take more sugars, more carbohydrates, that excess carbohydrates are converted into the excess glucose molecules are converted into glycogen by the process of glycogenesis. Conversion of glucose into glycogen is known as glycogenesis, and that process is occur in the liver. It is the function of liver. మనం ఆల్రెడీ దీనికోసం డిస్కస్ చేసాం డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టంలో. ఓకే, అండ్ డీటాక్సిఫికేషన్, very important process, detoxification. After the detoxification and glycogenesis, that food materials enter into the inferior vena cava, then it reach the heart. From the heart it reach the all over organs through systemic circulation. So it is the portal system. So simply the veins or the blood vessels which start with the capillaries and end with the capillaries are known as portal veins, and we give name to that portal system into which that portal vein ended. If it is ended in the kidney, it is a renal portal system. If it ended in the liver, it is a hepatic portal system. We don't have the renal portal system in our body and we have hepatic portal vein. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో వస్తుంది ఆస్కారిస్ లుంబర్గాయిడిస్లో, ఐ థింక్ Extraintestinal migration, it enter into the liver through hepatic portal vein. From there it enter into the heart through inferior vena cava. From there it enter into the lungs through pulmonary arteries. So it is the hepatic portal vein which is present in between the liver and our alimentary canal. Next, coronary system. There is another type of a special circulatory system present in the heart. Actually, circulatory system is present all over the body, arteries and veins, blood capillaries, and of course hepatic portal system is also present in the abdominal cavity. But coronary system is different. Coronary system means blood vessels which give blood to the heart and which receive blood from the heart. So this coronary system is present in heart musculature. If it is our heart, మన ఎక్స్టర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం కదా, systemic circulation it is, and it is the pulmonary circulation, inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, and here your left auricle, it is a coronary sulcus. Okay, this is the rough diagram of heart, and it is a coronary sulcus, and there are some anterior and posterior intraventricular grooves also present. Okay, here coronary system is present in the musculature of the heart. Coronary system is nothing but it is made by two types of blood vessels: coronary arteries, coronary veins. The blood vessels which give oxygenated blood to the heart musculature are known as coronary arteries. There are two coronary arteries which give blood to the musculature of the heart. They arise from the systemic circulation like this. It is a right coronary artery and there is a left coronary artery for the right and left ventricles and auricles. Okay, there are two coronary arteries. It is just rough diagram. Okay, it is more than enough actually. And there are four coronary veins which receive deoxygenated blood from four chambers of the heart, to atria and to ventricles. The walls of the heart musculature also produce deoxygenated blood, and the deoxygenated blood must enter into the heart for the purification. From the heart they enter into the lungs. Okay, the remaining all process is known by you. There are four coronary veins which receive deoxygenated blood from the four chambers of the heart, and all the four veins are enter into a large vein. Large means compare with the remaining four veins, coronary veins, it is somewhat large, and that four veins enter into a large vein. That vein is known as coronary sinus. Coronary, the word coronary indicates the coronary word is related to heart. Coronary sulcus means a groove. Coronary sinus means a large vein which receive deoxygenated blood from the four coronary veins. Coronary arteries which give blood to the heart musculature. Where there is a word coronary, it is related to heart. So it is coronary system, and that coronary sinus opens in the right atrium and it is guarded by Thevesius valve. So it is about coronary system. Thank you.